Hey, I'm Steve Sherman, creator of Power of Process. I got a little box here. I'd like to initially give a shout out to my friend in Scotland, Stuart Walker. Stuart says to me, he says, Steve, he says, you got to do an unboxing video for me. So this is what we're doing, Stuart. We're going to take it out of the box and show everybody what I've been waiting for since January 24th. I sold my larger 717 Phillips camera and struck a deal with Chamonix camera company in China for a 5x12, and this appears to be the camera itself. Very nice wrapped. It'll take a while to get this thing opened up. So hopefully this is much lighter than my my Phillips 717. Wow. Let's see, that's the bottom. So it's designed just like a Phillips. Chamonix took that design from Dick Phillips, and my understanding is Dick Phillips took it as a compliment. So it's really one of the factors that moved me to get the Chamonix. Together with the fact that not only does this a 5x12 format camera, it also has a reducing back for 5x7, which those are the two formats that I love. The 5x12 is just smaller, same perspective as a 717, but it's lighter in weight. This camera I can pick up and hold like that at arm's length. You certainly can't do that even with my 5x7 camera. That's a nice piece of machinery. This worm gear setup advances the bellows. Got 600 millimeters of bellows. I believe the back comes off very easily like this, and it just lifts right up like that. And then I'm guessing there's another little back in here.
Look through the front standard.
It's just Peter getting creative, Stuart.
Hi, Stuart. Miss you.
So this looks like the 5x7 back. I'm going to do it after I get a couple of months under my belt with this camera. I'm going to do a camera review of it, but very quickly, there's several other camera manufacturers that create this very combination of 5x12 and 5x7. But what their cameras will not do is they will not have to change the bellows in the field, and that's not something I was willing to do. So this is the 5x7 back. I can just put it on just like that when it sits down in there like that. There it is. I'm doing it from the other side, and it took 10-12 seconds. So thank you, Chamonix cameras. I can't tell you how thrilled I am with this whole transaction and relationship we've had since last January. Thanks again. Steve Sherman, creator of Power Process. The one last thing that was in the box were 3 holders, each in individually made Velcro cases. These holders are like a piece of furniture themselves. That's the 5x12 format. This is the 5x12 film from Ilford. You know, everything with them is ultra lightweight. You know, they're even taking the dark slide and putting, you know, taking some weight out of it there with those holes. So I can't tell you how impressed I am so far with the camera. As I say, I want to use it for a couple of months, see what comes of it, and I'll check back with with you folks then. Right now, I'm going to pour myself and Peter a little Blanton's Reserve.